Hi, I wanted to tell you about Euclid's Door, the latest book in the By Hand and Eye series from George Walker and Jim Tolpin. This one follows the building of a set of tools that a traditional builder would have made for themselves and kept track of because they're all reference tools for measuring and marking and whatnot. So they wanted to be very accurate. So you kind of go through the book step by step using the tools that you made in the previous chapters to make the tools in the next chapters as you go. And the first set is a set of straight edges. And though they're made out of wood, they're extremely accurate the way that you're taught how to make them in the book. I made these 6 months ago or so, and they're still tight enough that you could not slide a piece of paper in between them. So they're accurate enough for most uses. And then each one you can use to reference the other ones. So you can check the smallest straight edge with, either of the other two straight edges. You can check them all with each other, and if you need to tune them up, you can, because they're made out of wood. And this is the first section of the book, the first set of tools you make that are straight edges. After that, you go to squares and things. Anyway, check it out, Euclid's Door, Lost Art Press. Get a copy.